Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a review on the Merit Beauty makeup line. They are a fairly new company that launched earlier this year. All of their products are vegan and cruelty-free. I'll be providing swatches of the product and a makeup look, and if you're interested in knowing more about the brand, then keep on watching. Just a little disclaimer that these products were sent to me through PR, but all opinions are my own, and I will let this product speak for themselves as we go through each one of them. I was super excited that Merit reached out to me as I was following them on Instagram for quite some time, and I was really curious about the brand. People are becoming more aware of animal testing, and I'm glad that makeup brands are creating products that are cruelty-free and vegan, so we as consumer have the options to purchase these products. In case I forget, for a limited time, Merit is including a complimentary bag with your very first order. This bag is double lined with no wasteful hardware such as zippers and toggles that wear down over time, and this bag is made to last as you can use it over and over again. And if it does get dirty, you can throw it in the cold wash. And if you're interested in any of the products that I will be going over today, I will leave the link to the Merit website in the description box below, but just a little disclaimer that it is an affiliate link. If you head over to the Merit website, you will notice that they have only 7 items to choose from in their makeup line. I was given an option to pick 7 items from each of the category. When I went to select some of the items, they were sold out, so I had to pick a different shade of the same product, but it doesn't bother me. The products that I don't have is the mascara, the blending brush, the cream blush, and the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Foundation and Contour Stick, which is a stick that replaces foundation and concealer in your makeup bag. Merit is taking a minimalistic approach, so this is a great stick to use to cover up any imperfections or blemishes that we have on our face. I think that the makeup trend now is that people are slowly moving away from that heavy, cakey makeup look and are wanting to look more like themselves. I think that the complexion stick is a great product for people who want to keep their makeup simple and they don't want to carry around a corrector, a concealer, and a foundation. It can actually be a little bit much at times. So you just need one complexion stick to even out your skin tone and you're done. I was quite disappointed that I didn't get to try the complexion stick, so I started my makeup today with the Burt's Bees Goodness Glow Tinted Moisturizer. This is because I wanted to stick with the minimalistic look, and this tinted moisturizer has a clear coverage and gives you a more natural finish so that you look like you have nothing on and you can see more of your natural skin. So for the brown product, I do have 2 shades here. One is brown and the other is black brown. The packaging is gold and looks very luxurious. I've actually moved away from that very defined Instagram brows and I'm into more natural looking brows nowadays. Maybe it's because of my age, but I just don't think I look good in that kind of brows. Well, not anymore anyways. I'm going to try the brown shade first. What throws me off about this product is that I always think that the handle is the shorter end, but it's actually the other way around. This is what the applicator looks like. It has a tapered precision brush that makes it easier to coat every hair. When I try swatching the shade, it does come off a bit light and the product is more on the drier side. I'm going to apply this to my right brow. This is very easy to apply, and again, this looks very natural. I think the shade is a little bit light for my brows, and you can tell that this side looks just a little bit fuller than this side. Moving on to the second shade, which is black brown, I would say that this color is a bit darker and closer to my natural brow hair color. Now I'm going to try the black brown shade on this side of my brows. This product is just to make your brows naturally look fuller. It is infused with vitamin B5 to help create natural and fuller looking brows while strengthening the hairs over time. This is my before and after of each of the shades I just used. It is very natural and just makes my brows look fuller. I'm just gonna go over this brow with the black brown shade so that both of my brows look like they are the same color. And also I prefer the darker shade as it is a closer color to my natural brow hair. To speed things up, I already put a little bit of eyeshadow on since Merit doesn't have any eyeshadow in their makeup line. Maybe it's because of their minimalistic approach, but I didn't put too much eyeshadow on as I'm trying to keep this look minimalistic. I can't show you what the Merit mascara looks like since it was all sold out, so for this look, I'm going to use the Burt's Bees Volumizing Mascara, which is made of 100% natural origin and it's also cruelty-free. This isn't my favorite mascara, but it does get the job done. I'm just gonna curl my lashes first. I am so sorry guys, after I went to edit the video, I didn't realize that my head was down while I was applying the mascara. I did find that the applicator is a bit too chunky for my lower lash line and I have to clean it up with a cotton swab after. I'm not too fussy about that, but I just thought I'd point that out. This is an affordable mascara since it is a drugstore brand. If you want to know more about the mascara and the tinted moisturizer, I did do a full review on the Burt's Bees makeup line and I will leave that in the description box below just in case you're interested in seeing that later. One of the products that I'm very disappointed that I didn't get to try is their Flush Balm, which is sort of like a cream blush. Since I don't have that product, I'm gonna use something that is sort of similar that I do own, which is the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Stick in the shade Work, which is more of a dusty rose color. When you apply this directly onto the skin, it is very pigmented, so you'll have to blend it out with your fingers so that the blush looks more natural. I used to not be into cream blush, but lately I've been loving it. The Flush Balm, which I believe is more of a balm formula, and I would assume that it would be more hydrating than this. That was actually one of the products that I really wanted to try, but when I tried to pick out that product, it was all sold out. Moving on to the next product, I have two highlight balms here. The first shade I have is Cava, which is a champagne shade. It comes in a nice clean white packaging with the gold mirrored brand on the side. You can twist the bottom so that more products comes out. I find this shade very light on my skin tone. I would say that the formula reminds me more of a lip balm kind of texture, except that it is creamier and it does feel like it would lock in moisture. I'm just going to apply this directly to the high points of my cheeks and then blend it out with my fingers. I usually don't highlight my brow bones, but I'm going to do that for this video. Since this highlighter is very subtle and it won't stand out too much anyways. Do keep in mind that this is a very minimalistic brand and I find that Cava does blend in with my natural skin tone and gives me more of a natural shine. Both of these highlighters are translucent and they won't give you that over the top highlight. You can't really tell that I have highlighters on my cheeks, but they are highlighted. I'm going to apply the shade Bounce to the other side of my cheek and blend that out with my fingers. This one has more of a rose gold shine and I'm a fan of rose gold. Again, this is very light and very natural. If you put the two shades beside each other, the difference is minimal. These two highlighters are meant more for daytime wear. I rarely wear highlighter at night anyways, but I'm not going to lie, I did try these on at nighttime and I could barely see the glow just because it's very light. But I did see the natural glow during daylight while walking around my house. And because the way that this is designed, you don't have to carry an extra brush with you to apply the highlighter. You just need to apply this directly to your cheek and blend it out with your fingers. I actually like the rose gold one more, so I'm going to apply it to my nose bridge, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow. And I'm going to blend this out with my fingers. Since this is a balm formula, I find it more hydrating than other highlighting sticks I've tried. It gives my face more of a dewy and balm sheen with no sparkles. Because it is packed with squalene and fruit olive oil, this formula locks in moistures to enhance your natural glow. Now for the very last product, which is my favorite, moving on to the lips. They are currently available in 4 shades as you can see on their website. The only shade I don't have here is Sangria, which is a deep berry shade. I do love deep colors, but I don't find myself wearing them that often, so I'm going to show you the 3 shades that I do have. The first shade I have is Au Naturel, and this is what the doe foot applicator looks like. This is more of a warm blush shade and is a very natural shade in my opinion. I did wear this shade for a different video. I would describe it as my lip but better. It is very hydrating and long lasting, but you might have to reapply to maintain that natural moisture level in the lips if you do decide to keep this on all day. The second shade I'm going to try is Marrakech, which is described as a bright peach color. This would be my kind of color and would be a shade that I would be comfortable wearing more often. Just keep in mind that this lip oil has clear coverage and it is not sticky at all. The last color I have is Pink Beet, which is a cool pink shade. I really like this color and it would be second to Marrakech. I would say that this shade stick would be somewhere between an oil and a light stain. I absolutely love this oil. It is definitely hydrating and is not super pigmented. Again, this is more of a minimalistic brand, so that's what you can expect from them. For my everyday makeup, these would be my go-to lip products, but if I'm going to a special event and I want something a little bit more bold, I would probably pick a different brand that has a little bit more pigmentation in their lip products. This is what all 3 shades look like side by side. The difference is minimal as these colors are transparent, so any shade you pick will look just as good and it will enhance your natural lip color. The key benefit that I would highlight here is that it contains rosehip oil, shea butter, grapeseed, and avocado oil to nourish the lips and replace lost moisture. The polymer gel-based locks color and moisture in, preventing color migration and extending the wear. Overall, I think that this line is very minimalistic and very luxurious, and they're made for busy people who wants to look like a better version of themselves without putting on too much makeup, and they just want something that's more simple and easy to use. It didn't take me very long to do my makeup with these products, and if I didn't spend so much time talking about the products, I could probably finish my makeup within 5 minutes. Let me know what you think about the Merit Beauty makeup line in the comment section below. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!